welcome back to my channel, and I hope you all are doing great. I know you will, because it's all the festive seasons around Dasara, Diwali and all. Shopping, खाना पीना, friends, family, पूरा होते रहता. ठीक है, तो today it's 24th and tomorrow it's Dasara 25th. तो आज we are celebrating Bathukamma. For the ones who don't know, Bathukamma is a floral dance predominantly celebrated in Telangana and some parts of Andhra Pradesh also. In Telugu, Bathukamma means Mother Goddess Gauri coming alive with all her strength and womanhood. So it's the patron of womanhood celebrated. Bathukamma is celebrated, like it's made with many flowers and all. I'll show you because mom is also making it. Okay, so all the society aunties will be coming and they'll put their Bathukammas around and they'll be dancing, like they'll make a circle and they'll dance. So it's like very nice to see our tradition like that, and I feel happy, you know. Even I get dressed traditionally those days because I normally wear western though. Okay, so let's see what's happening down, that is making of Bathukamma. I'll show it to you. Chalo jayenge. Boom. जैसा कि आप लोगों ने देखा, इतनी सारी मेहनत के बाद, मतलब मैंने भी मेहनत किया था, मम्मी ने भी किया, दोनों ने किया, पर ज़्यादा मम्मी ने किया और आंटी ने किया था. तो फाइनली वी हैव कंप्लीटेड एंड नाउ इट इज़ टाइम टू गेट रेडी एंड ऑल द सोसाइटी पीपल विल बी कमिंग. तो थोड़ा थोड़ा डांस करेंगे. सो आई गेट रेडी एंड कम बैक एंड मीट विथ यू गाइज. सो आई शो यू हाउ द सेलिब्रेशंस गो ऑन. ये and we're back and we're ready and we're ready to dance and everything. So got done with my makeup and my outfit is quite good. I'm feeling nice, traditional after many days matlab I don't usually wear, I'm a western person. So thoda lipstick, thoda liner, thoda bindi. Laal bindi mein to inni soni lagdi. Acha, mine is green bindi na, so it will come like green bindi mein to inni soni lagdi. Sorry. Okay guys, listen to that song. I love it so much. Lal Bindi by Akul. Listen to that song. So now I'm waiting. All are have to come. Bacche to they are come. They have playing on the roads and all. Cycling, weekling chal raha. Aunties should come. Then we'll put the Bathukammas in the middle, like on the road, and we are putting a carpet actually. We'll put a carpet and on that we'll put the Bathukamma, and then we will be, like, you know, the floral dance type of a thing. It'll be good. So you will see me in the floral dance next. Bye. I'm totally tired. My legs are aching like hell. By the way, we are going to Kapra Cheruvu right now, the lake where we will be putting the Bathukammas. So I'll show you. Bye bye. I'm closing the door now. We'll go. Mama, lock. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Bye bye. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm back, and to be honest, I'm really very sorry I couldn't shoot in the morning because I was helping mom and dad in some work like cleaning the vehicles and all, and then preparing the lunch. So I couldn't shoot. But then yeah, firstly, happy Dasara to everybody. Stay safe, stay home, enjoy with your family, and yeah, happy Dasara to your family members also from my side. Okay, so we'll have lunch and then we are planning to go to relatives' house to exchange the. Okay, so what I am telling now is it was a Maharashtrian significance. Like before, there's a apta tree which the leaves are exchanged with the family members. So it's also referred like the transition means son patta. So we say sona, gold leaves also for that. So we'll exchange it with them and we tell happy Dasara, we wish them. So yeah, maybe we'll be going to relatives' places and then I'll have my lunch and I'll meet you. Had my lunch and अभी हो रहा है गाड़ियों का पूजा. मेरे साइकिल को पूजा करने का है और भाई का साइकिल है, पापा का गाड़ी है और फिर we all will do it for the car. So we'll complete the puja now.
Es muy difícil.
¿Qué?
गाड़ियों का पूजा चल रहा है अभी.
El amor. Como Maxim posee.
हेलो पापा.
हाय, हैप्पी दसरा पंडा.
अभी हमारे पूरा स्विफ्ट का जो भी जिसने भी दृष्टि लगाया है वो पापा निकाल देंगे. वो we're outside the house and अभी फूटेंगे ये नींबू. चलो पापा स्टार्ट. फूट जा. फूट गया. बाय बाय विवान. अभी गाड़ी का दृष्टि. What is the situation? The situation over here is, okay guys, I couldn't explain you better, so sorry. Actually what happened is when I said गाड़ी का दृष्टि हो गया, that is a two-wheeler one, my brother will do all namuna things. He put a polythene cover to the thread and he is flying that. So that is what I was laughing about. I'm sorry for that. Yeah. I'm back all ready to go to relatives' places and guys, literally I love this dress what I'm wearing. Literally obsessed with it. I took so many photos. You'll be seeing them on my Instagram. This is my Instagram ID. Please follow me. So I'll show you my outfit now. So this one is the outfit, like it's a short crop top type and then it's a palazzo over here and then this is the long kind of a jacket type and it's really beautiful. I just love the design on this. There are birds and some feathers on it which are beautifully printed and I literally love this. So yeah, we'll be going to the relatives' places, then I'll meet you there. Bye bye. So I've come to grandma's place. तो अभी हम लोगों ने grandma और grandpa को wish कर लिया है. Happy Dasara Goa.
Same to you.
Happy Dasara. So I hope grandma and grandpa's blessings are with me forever. So yeah, now we'll be going to our relatives' places next. Bye guys. Bye Manandova.
Bye.
Guys, so I went to grandma's place. Then when you saw, after grandma's place I went to one of the Atta's house and then I came to the another Atta's house and all are outside. We have wished each other. We gave the leaf, the atta tree ka leaf to each other, and we wished ourselves. So, and I have my cousin with me, that is Sahasra.
Hi, hello everybody. Happy Dasha to one and all.
I didn't wish her. Happy Dasara to both.
And thank you. Wish you the same.
Okay, so this is her ID, Instagram. Please follow my cousin sister also with me. Okay, so how are you feeling?
I'm feeling so happy that you're at my house. After so many days you have come here. So I'm happy to see you, and I am in the vlog of you today.
Oh.
So that's why I'm happy.
Yeah, many times she had called me and she told me, Are, you have taken all your cousins, where am I? I didn't come. I was like, wait, festival ko I'm coming and all, I said her. So aaj finally in my video there is Sahasra, nickname Chubbu. I like to call her Chubbu only, so it will come out like Chubbu, Chuba. Okay, you saw my before vlogs, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
you will
was
see
so
your-
nice.
Yeah.
Actually, I like your editing. You know, the first when it comes, no, Forever Hansika, and the last
intro.
one. Yeah, and the ending conclusion, subscribe one. That is so nice. I liked it so much. And even I want to learn editing, and I also want to make vlogs like you.
I will teach, but for one video you should pay me 3,000.
Oh, boy.
Joking. I
Okay.
am not that bad. I'll teach you editing. Yeah, so she loves my editing a lot. Before starting the video also, she's telling me, Arey, what happened? This, that and all. So yeah, I will be teaching her. Even she's interested in vloggings, but now she's not that ready to do. So once I teach her, I will motivate Chubba, and at last she will do. So give me a shout out. Tell them to subscribe.
Yeah.
They will see full views they'll take me, but they'll not subscribe only.
So please, guys, she's my very lovely cousin. So please subscribe her channel, like, comment is not
Yeah,
there.
comment.
Share the video,
Yeah.
and make a lot of subscribers.
आपकी मेहनत और क्या बोल रही मैं, हाँ, आपका प्यार और मेरी मेहनत से everything will be alright. Support level should go high. Subscribe to the channel, guys, please. So yeah, thank you, Chubbu.
Thank you for getting me in the vlog.
Oh, that's alright. Okay, so guys, now after from here we'll be going to another aunt's house, and then I guess we'll go back home. So I'll meet you there. Bye bye. Okay, guys. So I'm at my other cousin's house. She's a naughty child. Hi, Arushi. Hi, Chappu.
Hi, Pannaka.
She's a really cute one, and I love her bedroom, guys. The wall is totally with Elsa's photo, and I have done some TikToks over here also. ఎలా ఉన్నావు? మంచిగా ఉన్నావా? Okay, very naughty child. Full playing, कूदना रहता है. Okay guys, so it's 11 PM. I had my dinner and I came back home. So lastly, Happy Dasara to you and your family. May you all have an auspicious year ahead. हो आपके जीवन में खुशियों के मेले और कभी ना आए कोई झमेले. So I hope you love this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget this, guys. So yeah, bye bye guys.